I got ammo box.
Friendly ammo box here.
Alright, we cool here.
Movement.
Get your ass down. Break.
Oh yeah. Okay.
He's on me. Where are you going to go?
Our sniper hit the wall.
Alright, copy. Let's go back.
That's about it down. But liga sigo.
Oh, aşk lan düşürtmeye tamam. Embeti bakti lang an. Asa mi tan? Bang baru malu.
Mashu.
One down, baby. Two left. Oh shit!
Hey.
Oh shit!
What's up, London?
Super.
Fine.
Oh no, you're the last one, man. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm shook here, strikes, eh?
Bang na, kumagay na daddy air strikes yung out there. Nga down big eh. Nag-shot na your gawin to si Restorer. Mga down. Light. Do your na lang.
Dali na nagkakachir nga ba na?
Uy, pa yan ako falakot.
Maybe. Oh my god. Alright.
Man, hindi mo malak mo lang. Ayun.
Hadi mi?
Gel more.
Wasting children at our industry.
Yeah. Fuck you. Ito ka yellow.
May patin nga.
Tengah mau muat aku itu.
Lagi, kalau tak was. Iskan dah.
Supporting.
Nice.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, what? Well, RPG the fuck out of here. He still didn't die. That's not getting on those choppers, but yeah, I'm glad that lad, man.
Neyse meşhur.
I get that Z for you. I got one.
Chin up.
Yep, EC for that shit, bro. Dalla skippa graga med.
Dalaş ya.
Ama dalaş lang.
What that balance skip me? Oh my god!
I see him coming up.
Palang get power ang by station eh. Luo power. Time team to go palang di kat mo. Ano ba ta?
Allah be yani.
Yeah. You're on the water.
Şuradan.
Good, you too good.
Hey.
I need loadout. That's what I freaking need. Oh, he's jumping.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get me, boy. You ain't gonna get me, boy. They're trying to wipe us out.
You have reinforcements inbound.
They try so hard.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Delo is here. Oh, finally, Delo. You're gonna wait. Fuck!
25 remain. Solid work so far.
We're almost still one. And he gets that bulk of hungers in. Oh, are they out of here? Woo, that's a team white, Merlin.
Oh,
Oh,
sniper.
Watch left. Alright.
Hot nga yemi.
Ano yun?
Oh, phải lê à người, phải rượu người, what the fuck? Cái rồi.
Long. Oh shit.
Hey, siya ba na ba daw?
Kata ba ay pa yung... Sniper mo pa yung...
Kana.
Drowning up them. Moving at the mountain.
Hey.
Hay something to loot out there. I got some back him up.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna send you a cluster.
Time to play 5 seconds. Out.
Oh, they're here,
Hey,
they're here.
stop
Давай
that.
sleep.
Enemy UAV is online.
You a hoe, bitch!
Hostile UAV in the area.
해보지
Negative BD.
맞아 볼라 달려. Let's night.
Break! I break him.
Okay, okay.
He's on the ammo, he's on the ammo. He break again, he
That's
break
one, bro.
again. One shot, one shot.
Nice
Fuck
show.
yeah.
Operational in the AO.
Fuck out of here.
Oh,
What?
shit.
마. 아베
Mga
버리겠어.
tanang. Ilan mo UAV? Baka.
에이, 스파이 운전은 가게 운전.
Ilan mo lang siya kill streak eh?
방어가.
Pangan, watch out. I trap a kill streak. Darn. Head pa ilaw mo.
Is
We're surrounded, bro.
에이, 저 one shot 나오는 거 같아.
We're surrounded, yo.
All on you. Stay alive. Squad can redeploy.
Ooh, Mr. Moss. We're not gonna get one.
Enemy UAV is online. You're in the top 10. Keep knocking them down. Enemy UAV overhead. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. You have reinforcements.
ganito lang ako, Steve.
Now, we need you, Gary.
Ako kasi ngayon, yes, na.
Ah, bitch, what you trying to do, bro?
Help, Flash,
Break. On the steps. Thanks for the ammo box. I killed one of them.
Chưa hòa nhận.
Enemies
Thanks
are
for the
dropping into the
money.
area. Watch the skies.
Hey!
The end game.
Yes.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Hey, sorry, partner. I'm here. Oh, but my skill was in the area, you know.
Bạn sniper sẽ bảo bình pressing lên. Lo,
Phim mẹ.
là bà một pressing ra. Nói cho đủ vâng, có được
Alright. Oh.
là sợ ngó.
Squad mates deployed.
Nhưng mà bảo ai segundo
Enemy UAV is online.
Wasted Charlie snipers, you know.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I got you, partner. It's ready.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Got somebody sniping lion.
오케이 오케이.
Supply crates have been restocked. Load up.
올라.
Sorry. Nice.
That's it, Brad.
Attan da lan Jane gonna get me easier. What a divan.
Only 4 left.
Sorry, soup sinak nga kang. Look at you. What are you doing? Gadari.
Let's go. Follow ka pa na
The gun bag, eh? Ayun na, hindi na ito, no? Ito wala. Ipen na alam mo.
Alright, makakuha niyo.
Oh, kasyaw Doon. Kirker. Alright, let me invite some people over here. Oh shit. I wanna give you some good love. I wanna give you some good love.
Put your bitch ass up.
Well, you guys never ever win, and I come to make the win.
Bro,
okay?
we just hopped in, bro. Relax, bro. We just hopped in, bro.
Like 30 games in a
We
row.
always
Never
winning
win.
on this side, bro.
Like 30 games in a row, no win, bro. Some crazy shit, man.
Nah, we always winning, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
They usually D to run over there and die all the time, bro. Damn. Bro, that's some weak ass shit, man. Hey, worst case, why you don't play with us no more?
We don't tolerate that stuff.
You know what they've been doing?
We don't tolerate no bullshit.
Look at her. Nigga fuck around too much. Dito? No better.
What happened?
I said nigga fuck around too much.
Hey, bro.
I'm talking KC.
Wow. All that shit that was good, bro. Ready. Are we ready, guys?
No, it's not gonna
What up, J.
start.
Cross?
Say connecting. What's up, Jake, bro?
What up, Cam?
What, Cam? You never have a win, and I come to give you the win.
What, Cam? You never brushed yet? Say something, bro.
Freaking
I just like what he said. Fuck you, bro. His fuck you is fucking aggressive, bro. My nigga Cam's fuck you is aggressive, bro. Hopefully I can talk, bro. I'm chat bad, bro.
Stop saying stuff to the enemy. That's all it is.
For real, bro. So you know it gets to that point where you have to...
I just put mine to party only. So, and then I get out of chat ban and my shit is good till now. But when we kill them, you still can say something to them. Anteo. Bro, you may not sleep. Don't yell.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
What do you say? You like to try and shoot? Keto, motherfucker. Yo, Dito. Yo, Keto, bro. Get cross.
Bad, bro. I gotta fix.
So Dito left.
Hold on, me too. Hold on.
What happened?
I fix my shit.
Yeah, with your chat man looking ass up.
Put your bitch ass up, nigga.
Hold on.
Hey Dito, do you like the Kosraean soup?
Hell yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. I just ate that shit, bro.
What kind of question is that, bro?
Bro, that shit is good as fuck.
On a fucking Sunday afternoon?
Well, I eat it with falafel caca.
Oh, not the flower touch.
It's good. Yeah, I eat it with it. Pretty nice.
Nigga over here fucking eating flower touch, bro.
Bro, I miss that shit. Been a long time.
Flower caca. Nah, he said he was eating it with that, bro. It's flower touch, bro. Yeah, I'm translating it for Cam, bro. Hey, Cam is flower touch.
That motherfucker like, that's like the name, bro.
J Cross, oh, nigga, you can shine, bro. How you not know, bro?
Niggas have loud touch. Nigga was like, oh shit, that shit on the dictionary. Nigga believe that shit is on the dictionary, bro.
caca. It's like tag. That's what it's called, caca. Blow caca.
This
But you
nigga's
said
loud,
touch. I
bro.
was like, what the hell is touch?
Nigga, touch,
No, I'm
touch,
saying-
bro. You know?
Yeah, I understand what you're trying to say.
To translate the damn fucking word is tag. Shit, not touch, touch. Fuck you hell.
So what, bro? It's allow touching. This nigga.
Skull cornbread,
Touch,
motherfucker.
touch. It's fucking touching, bro.
It's called cornbread in America, okay? The same shit.
¿Quién anda piseando? Cornbread, you got it too.
Yo, no.
Yeah. You got a game of corn. What'd you say?
Gogo.
Nigga called on my ass, bro. Get out of here, bro.
What did he say?
He said go, bro. Eat ass. That's what he does.
Rucker, you're headed to the war zone.
Hey, what's up with your mic, Jason? Fuck is that
Who
noise?
the fuck is bounce out slip?
Check cross, you got it again. What happened? Yesterday's another day.
Get across what's
Took
going
you.
on, bro.
Damn!
Get across.
How can I?
Bro, I muted him already.
Get across. What's going on?
Yo,
Alright, man. Sorry. Your mic.
I
What
work.
about it? That shit loud as fuck.
Yeah, we hold it rocky right.
Everybody is here.
Oh, I love it. Sorry, sir, you're in the wrong spotty.
Oh, shit, car. Oh, shit, for the stop.
Boy, you crash, man.
Out on. Out on. What's going on, boy?
Yeah. Well, what the freaky freak?
Right under, bro.
Fuck you. Call me.
Oh, there's two on top, bro.
Yeah. Hey, boy, come.
Look at this sniping ass nigga, bro. Bro, turn your flashlight off.
Airstrike ready for tasking.
Oh, dumb shit, bro. I'm gonna start saying dog shit.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Area marked. We're cleared hot.
Bitch ass nigga.
Right? Watch out, man. Okay.
Yeah, I got him. Come up here, bro. Come up here, bro. Yeah.
Fucking phone. Oh my god.
He's on top, on top. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what we're talking about. They're on the bottom now.
They're upset. Go get that last one, bro.
Hey, sucking shit.
Oh, they talking shit on. Alright. One down. He's dead.
Ooh, loser. He's hiding under there, bro.
Oh, you left. You down.
Two of them, bro. They're hiding.
Alright.
Stay up there, bro. Watch the
One
zip.
down. He's dead.
The zip, bro.
Oh, buddy. Got you, boy. I got you, boy.
Take all the room.
You get calm. Hey, right? Over here, bro. Got my thing. No. Come on, bro. You there?
Ooh.
I got him.
They wait
Check
for the loadout.
Rusty.
Yeah. Shit, right over there.
What do you mean over
They
there?
wasted their loadout.
Over here, over there, over there.
Right where I died, bro.
Oh. No, I lied to you. It's just a joke, bro. Damn.
Good luck, you motherfucker.
Oh, yeah,
There's one guy
Yeah,
at his
yeah,
ammo
the
shop.
pig. That guy's hacking crazy. Not bad.
What the fuck?
Oh shit. Yeah, AK-47, a 74 again. Oh. Oh, you got it, you got it.
This guy sucked, bro.
Got to be getting me off my life.
How's the loadout, bro?
Dude, I'm on the loadie. I'm protecting you.
Bro.
Covering your stupid ass forward. Somebody's on me. Oh, somebody's sniping. Whoa, you a bitch, bro. You a fucking creeper on the window.
Watch that guy, bro. Oh, what?
I wanna. What do you think this one?
In the house.
That's only sniper, bro. Like, damn. Oh, you got to be giving me.
Upstairs. Right there.
Contact back on station. Good work. Online. Get ready. Resurgence window is now closed.
You gonna get no luck, man.
Oh yeah, right there. He's down. One down. Somebody finishing wrong. Alright. Oh, right there. Boys are coming. Inside. He's down.
He's in there, too.
Yeah, that's two down, boys. Two down.
He down, he
He's in
down.
the house.
He dead! Fuck you.
Which one? Which one?
Oh, that's his spot.
He down. Hey, he break, he break. He break, yeah. What do you mean which one, bro? That's fucked up.
UAV, bro.
Nigga, you got me fucked up. You shit. One right there, one with us.
Yeah, right here, buddy.
Oh, one perk, one perk.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hit me up, hit me up.
Yeah.
It's right there on the radar, y'all.
One down.
Hit me up, y'all. Green, pick me up, damn it. Chain cross.
Hey, somebody pick him up. God damn, you guy.
Oh, shit.
No, he's still right there. Let's go control. Fuck that. Let's go control. I got ammo box. I got ammo box.
Me too. Yeah.
All right, kill that motherfucker right there, bro. Yeah, kill him.
How you staying here?
You can see him, bro.
Oh yeah, you staying here, boy.
Yeah, he's right there. Kill that motherfucker. Yeah, let's go control. There's only two. They're buying back. They're buying back. Why you let them buying back? But it's still there. Buying. Got one. Got one.
Stay up here.
We're on top. We're on top. They're trying to come up.
They're on the bottom, bro. Buy station.
Got him. I got his ass. You stupid fuck. Oh, I die. Another one. Yellow, kill him. It's behind you on the zip line. Yellow just passed him. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Stay alive in the same area.
Over ammo.
Alright, do you stare any guns? People on us.
Oh yeah.
Cat his stupid ass, he's break.
Stay fast. You went up.
Where is he, bro?
You went up.
He's here, he's still here, what the fuck?
It's another guy. Yeah, another guy.
Oh, you buying people at the buy station. You kill me and buy people.
No.
Damn. Nice kill, game. Yeah. Thank you.
I got him. Forward. Right. He said, oh. My nigga said, oh. Haha. Surprise, motherfucker. How many more? 1, 2, 3. I think that's 3 or no, 5. Right there, boy. Over landing. I got your bitch ass, boy. I got one over there.
Hold on the top.
Yeah.
Right here.
Ahí están los
I
cuatro,
got
agua.
him. He's down. Kill him. Fuck that nigga. Hey, what's up on the roof? Roof. I cannot see. Oh, they went flashbang me, boy. Oh, I'm good shit.
Bitch out over here jumping and shit.
Oh, two car. Let's go. Kill them all.
Damn, no.
Okay, what's going on the roof?
Oh my god.
We gotta communicate, boy.
Damn, Kim carry goods. Shut your dying soldier ass up.
Such a bitch ass.
Oh, what kind of pistol is that?
No, bro. All of us almost eat thin, except Tito. Oh no, I lie. All of us did a great job.
Oh, 14 kill, boy. I like that.
Yeah, I was 3 kills behind you, man. Fuck. I tried to take the lead, but I was short.
No count. You tried.
You tried, bro.
I drive so hard. Wait, I need to go smoke a cigarette, yeah. Wait, damn it, damn. We just have a great match, bro. You gotta give it like 20 seconds type shit.
Oh.
We're off, okay? You guys working tomorrow?
Ah, nigga.
Alright. It's weekend time, man.
Oh, man. Just go AFK, bro.
Wait, alright, start that shit, I'm ready.
No, bro. No, do it down. No,
Alright. We wait for him. Hurry up, bitch.
I'm gonna go outside, y'all.
Yeah, come on, give it a 5-minute break. 5-minute break.
Yeah.
Just chat, talking, smoking, stories, okay? Alright, Tito, you a bitch. Matter of fact.
You bitch.
Matter of fact, you blind on your left eye.
Nigga, you stupid on your right side.
Nigga cannot see shit on the left side, bro. I will poke your fucking nose, nigga. What you talking about, bro? Nigga cannot see shit.
Hurry up with your fucking cancer shit.
So I'm waiting for.
Alright, start it.
What?
Alright, we ready. I don't know. I thought somebody wanted to go smoke. This story time. 5-minute story time.
You want to?
Nah, we need that dub, bro.
Come on, bro. We're gonna get a dub.
I already got like a
That dub
couple
can't-
hours earlier.
Bro, shut your ass up, bro. It was yesterday, bro.
What's that? What's that?
That's yesterday.
It's a new day.
Shut your eating ass up, Tito.
A metal tub.
A middle what?
You know the middle it's not for
No, you fucking around with your dub. You said a metal dub. Yo.
Oh, not the metal pasty, man.
No, that's a frying pan, a metal frying pan, bro.
Bro, my shit, man. Acting like I'm bitch.
You gotta use 120. 50% on the movement. Hey, I thought there's smoking break, bro. What the fuck? Oh, you guys fucked up.
Can't fucking play, bro.
No, you tripping, bro. That's the best.
Nah, bro. I do that, bro.
No, smoke. You guys smoking some DHC veins, bro. That's some fake shit.
Yeah, damn, bro.
That's some fake ass DHC you've been vaping on.
Bro, Indiana. So fuck, Indiana.
Yeah, we
fucking
got
ain't
real
fucking
flowers.
shit,
We got
bro.
flowers, bro.
Y'all ain't got shit.
We
bro.
got flowers. We got
Y'all ain't got shit
dispensary,
for
the
football
gas
and
station
basketball
sale.
team,
What's that?
Hey,
paper
the gas station sale, the fucking pre-rolls, bro. What you talking about?
Hey, bro, what's wrong?
We sell weed on the gas station, bro.
bro. Fucking.
You can go to the gas station and buy that shit, bro. You ain't got that shit on Alaska. You got salmon.
We do, bro.
You got salmon fish, nigga. Chill out.
Bro, you calling your fucking.
Your salmon fish looking ass.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Shit, random fucking salmon. Nigga.
Nigga, he's a salmon looking ass, bro.
And you look like a fucking immigrant.
A bass.
Hey, Sergeant,
A
what's
bass.
your
A bass. I'm a bass. Do you know Micronesian is not
nigga's a
immigrants? Do you know that Micronesian is not
bro.
immigrants, bro? You
Bro,
tripping.
I'm talking about you, bro.
What? What you talking about, nigga? I'm Micronesian, nigga. I'm not a
He's over
immigrant.
there. He's over there.
I am a foreigner.
Stay in the house over there.
Hey, watch out, he's here. Hey, come
On
up.
the top, bro.
Please don't stay.
Come up. Man, the fuck, yeah, he's looking at us, bro.
Oh, yeah, on the roof.
Yeah, you looking at us.
I got him.
And
Oh,
I
I'm
want
gonna
you
kill that
running-
motherfucker.
You run on that side. Okay, so.
Where that fool in?
I think he's on the water or
We're in the
something.
water.
Where that bitch ass
Look,
fool?
are you seriously went to the water, bro?
I got you, boy.
Oh, alright.
Okay.
That's what's up. That's what's
We're
up.
just-
I need to finish this. Oh, yeah, he's dead.
No. Where's the wrist? Where's the wrist when you kill him? Oh, right there. Cam,
Okay,
get
boys,
your mark
load
out of
out.
here, bro.
Load out, bro.
Somebody just landed on me. Oh.
Hey, bro.
Alright, let's fire Lodi.
Oh, yeah, he's over
There's
there.
two of them down there.
Why you running?
Oh, no.
Why you
I knocked one.
running?
Stay in there.
Why you running? Why you running?
Oh. My nigga Jason, where you at? Load out. Hey, money, please.
Need some money.
Money.
I need some money.
Load out, Jason. Come over.
You said load out people? What the fuck you think we are,
Hey,
bro?
cross.
Oh, Chick Crust, bro. You got me tripping, man.
Yeah, bro, you tripping.
Yeah, I was
Yep.
way too high,
Y'all
and I'm about to go
smoking crack
smoke
up there,
another
bro.
one. No, I don't smoke that. That's you. I know you
That's why you
sniff on
tripping.
ice, nigga. Chill out, bro. You got so many snow over there. You sneeze on that shit.
I sleep on it, bro.
No, you sniff that shit.
Sleep on it. Nigga.
There's a freeloader, y'all.
Okay, J Cross, let's go.
It is skated or no gated.
Go, boy.
Oh, look at my gun, bro. Look at my build.
Action.
Bro, drop my shit, nigga.
Wait, right here. Come get it. Try. Try
Fucking
that.
Jake. God, Rocky, bro. Hey, bro.
Like, whatever. Like, you poke in the
Pick up my
back.
stuff.
Oh, shit.
Slick ass nigga, bro. Drop my shit, bro. I need
Get
that,
your
bro.
stupid ass.
Ah, this guy. He doesn't even know how.
Hey, people on
Hey,
me.
right here. Oh, they come.
Hey, what the fuck? How in the
Hey,
fuck,
y'all,
fish?
that's one down.
Another one, another one.
I need to play it off.
Coming out, coming.
Oh, watch out.
The fuck am I liking for, bro? Like, what the fuck?
He's down.
Right here.
No way. What the fuck is that liking for, man?
Hey, boy. I got one down. Hey, boy, down me, on me. One down, another one. There's two down. You are okay, where's the other guy?
What you mean the other guy? Man.
Oh, he stay over there, boy.
Alright, moving in right now. Coming in.
He went up control.
You went? Ah, he stay here.
Now you sound like an old man now, Dito.
Oh, that's it.
Focus.
Took a bitch ass up, nigga.
Fix your voice, man.
Watch this.
You need armor, Trade Cross.
10 plates, man.
I knocked
Hey,
on.
boy.
I knocked on.
Oh,
Bro, let's push, let's push.
Oh. Oh. On the roof.
Down.
Roof. Oh. Sorry.
Down.
Serious. I need cover, boy.
Oh, get cross, nigga.
Oh. He's on me. He's on me. He's stay on the way.
Shut up, you big ass.
Where you going? Fucking hey, fucker, stole all my plate. I need some plate, bro.
Hell no, you ain't get shit.
Oh, that's down here.
The landing over there.
Here you go. Oh,
They're right under us.
boy, down there. Yeah, he's over. I got him. Are you shitty, boy?
Where are you? Which one?
Yeah.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
Oh, what's wrong, Jacob? What?
Hostiles are in the area.
Oh, what's up?
No, that's fucked up, bro. You guys didn't see my ping, bro.
Hey, right here, bro. Hey, I need cover.
Oh, no, no, no.
Hey, another one. Another one, bro.
Another one, bro. You didn't
Oh,
hear
boy.
him? Bro, you just stand there. Dito just stand there. And now you went down and killed him.
Nah, you can't.
No. You just stand there and went down and killed him, bro. Oh my god, bro. One is on top. One is on top, nigga. And he died.
Huh?
Oh. Hey, my nigga fell like this. Oh, I told you.
Oh, Che Gross.
Yeah. Over there, beat it, though.
Oh, that can come back to life. Oh my god, bro.
How the fuck they cross you alive, bro? Here we go. Fuck out of here.
The nigga say, here we go.
Shut the fuck up, bro. You hating ass nigga.
Fuck off, bro.
This nigga really ran
Your
into
hating
dying,
ass up.
Chill out like.
He's on the boat, bro. Oh no.
They were snapped at me. I see you, boy. Yeah, no.
Real good, bro.
Fuck, you chase me. Hey, boys, I need help. Move. Right, one down. Heal. Bring him off. Stay on him. He coming out.
Sorry, we tried to help you, but we can't. Give me a steam or something, bro.
Boy, you get a whole lot of money, Tito. Hit the store real quick.
Oh, yep, I got you,
On
bro.
over.
There you go. You're a team player now.
Coming back on the side.
The bitch ass up, nigga.
Hey, let's go right. Let's go right. What the fuck we just said?
Hey, what's going on, J-Cross? Lock in.
I need plates, bro.
Yes, the
Alright,
fuck?
Brandon.
Stupid motherfucking gun is stupid, bro.
Alright, go down me.
Down that gun, bro.
I got him.
Hey, right there, cluster that bitch. Yeah, right on you. Just cluster your area. What the fuck? Why don't you just cluster where you at? They're gonna come, bro.
Where?
Where you
Wait,
at? Oh my
And the
god.
UVs are. Where you going, Tito? Talk to me.
Up here.
They're jumping, they're jumping.
One spot.
There's 2 teams left and you
What the
die.
Oh,
Tito die. Tito said, what the fuck? Tito got right in the ass.
where you at?
Get up here.
The fuck?
That's some weak ass
Hey, you guys
guns,
right up there,
Tito.
bro.
Oh shit, those are Buona Beans. The cookies, 420? Wait, let me see if that's the
fucking
Buona
niggas.
Bean. The cookies team, bro. There's a cookies FSM team.
Fuck.
Hey, you suck. You die. You hide. Yeah, you be nice, Tito. You never gonna get you nowhere on that shit.
Shut your ass up.
Where, let me where?
Bro, put casual or something, bro. You didn't see us get choked up.
Ash ass niggas, bro.
Battle Royal, real one. Come on, mix that shit up, man. Give me some sauce. Don't keep giving me ketchup. Give me some sauce. Not the ketchup all
Your
the
ass up, you
time.
trash, bro. Watch you die, bro. Watch this guy die. Watch.
Bro, you lucky. I don't have my coffee yet. I gotta drink coffee.
Fuck your coffee, bro.
Wait.
Drink
I
water.
need my coffee.
Drink your H2O, bro.
Bro, I'm 20 something, bro. Why am I old? How the fuck am I fucking old?
He becomes essentially a god.
Essentially, I guess.
That's what Century becomes?
Be Joe.
The Royal Casual, yeah. Yo, bro, I love you, man. You know what I'm saying?
Ruck up. You're headed to the war zone.
Alright, wait, I'm gonna dial this because I'm smoking outside. Tito gonna find me there, bro.
Game always scared.
After this, we're gonna hop on GTA. All four of us.
Man.
We're
Romeo.
gonna make a gang in GTA.
Tango. Hey, what, you have GTA?
No.
Bro, I got GTA, bro. I do that shit on GTA, man. Hey, let's go to the station, please. Because we love watching TV, you know?
Nah, I watch TV, bro. I
Station,
watch
bro.
movies.
Man, you know what? You a donut without syrup.
You a cereal without milk?
Hey, that's still alright, man. I still eat that bitch. Donut that kind of like without that shit, frosty or whatever the fuck that shit on chocolate shit. Wait, I'm smoking, Dito. I'm not on
Bro,
the
smoke
game.
your life away, bro.
Damn, now you tripping, bro.
Not online there.
What you want to do? Stop here? All four of them lining up here.
Oh, fucking a whole lot of guys.
Jump.
1, 2, 3.
I mean,
Yeah,
fuck
my
up,
Baby,
bro.
you think I'm down?
They're lying down the roof. Look at this scared ass nigga, bro. Let me, hey, my proxy's
Bro,
on. He's over here.
smoking.
He's
Bro,
under
I'm
this sign
smoking.
over
Get
here.
out of here.
The BCH4. He's over here laying in the trash. Enemies. Y'all hear me or what? He's over here.
Yo, one of us.
Yup, they
died.
coming. They got J Kraus. Those are real people, bro. They heard me. Oh, he's running under the first floor. He's laying over here. He's trying to hide. Let's go.
Somebody
fam.
is on top. Somebody's on top.
Come on.
Real people, let's go.
Get on.
How the fuck you get up there, bro?
Gotta climb.
Game is so stupid.
The
I'm
fucking
losing weight
ladder.
at the same time, bro. Running around and
Yeah.
shit. Hey,
You
where
ready?
you at?
I
Fuck
got
that
him.
nigga.
Hey,
Pick him up, pick him up.
somebody
Pick him up so you
pick
can
him
see
up.
where his enemy at.
Somebody pick this
Wow,
man
wow,
now.
wow, 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 wow. Hey,
Somebody
bro.
pick that man now.
Bro, you know what? Let's talk to him, bro. Hey,
Bro.
where's your enemies at? Where's your friend at, bro? That's one of them? Yo, shoot him, bro. Turn around. Fuck
That's
off,
what
nigga.
happened to Cherry Cross.
Let me have your back, bro.
Turn around, bro.
Let me have it right here, bro. Right?
in the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving.
Check cross, I'm coming in hot. Oh no, never mind.
Stupid ass niggas.
Sayonara.
Check
I
cross, are
just
you
gun fucking
AFK
moving
or
around. I
something?
don't like this gun, bro.
Hey, you see AFK or something?
Oh,
Yeah,
he's
bro.
dead, bro. We gotta buy him back.
Also, he's AFK. That's a confirm. Affirmative.
Where we going? Where we going?
I'm just crawling right next to me, bro. Do you know who you fighting?
Oh,
Oh,
your enemy?
do you know who you fighting?
Standing by.
I'm sorry, that's a real guy, but I got it. You know what I'm saying? So let's get the crown. Why are we scared? Get the
Where
crown,
is
y'all.
I don't know what's the crown.
Mark
What's the
it so
crown?
you find it.
Your
It's
squad
right
mates
next
being
to
dragged
us.
to the
Oh,
most
somebody
wanted
grab
target.
it. Alright,
Eliminate
there you
enemies
go.
and secure supply caches to get that target off
I
their
got
hands.
it.
No, don't protect him. Nah, I lie. Protect him, bro. Hey, come to the top. Come to the top.
I need protection, bro.
All the way to the top. Not you,
Oh, there's
Brown.
people talking. Oh, they're downstairs, bro.
Oh yeah, they're here. They're here.
Downstairs, bro.
They're here. Real people in the area.
Assault UAV in the area.
Oh, yeah, bitch ass.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh, shit.
What kind of gun is that though? Syrian? Syrian? What? Oh, no, I'm not talking DC. See, that's why I said we gotta smoke our cigarette, man. You guys tripping. Oh, bro, that's a real guy you fighting.
With this guy.
That's a
Who,
bot.
me?
Chill out, Dito. You could just steal a bot and he act like that's a real guy.
Nigga, watch me die.
Watch, I'm be back. I'll be back. Watch me melee this guy. Okay, gross. Look, melee.
Enemy eliminated. Prepare for redeployment.
Woo, melee, dude.
Hello.
That's how we do that.
This nigga said hello. Oh, let's go to this guy right here.
We need a loadout. Is there a
Right
loadout
there.
on this beach?
You've been marked as the most wanted target. Kill them. Secure supply caches. Close the contract on your head.
Damn, bro, if it was real life, you would have fucking whoop up right on the wall, bro.
Don't bum.
Hurry up, I got 11. Where's the store at, bro?
Right here, bro. Right here.
Right there.
Right above. Right above. Hit the store real quick.
Give me your money.
No, bro. You getting up?
Fuck off then. Buy your own loadout then.
Damn, get
Oh,
your
that's my
ass
loadout.
over here, bro.
That hey, don't protect this guy, bro.
Hurry up.
Don't protect that
Enemy
guy.
show
Alright,
That's
I'm
right.
outta here,
Wait,
y'all.
bro.
Bye.
Hey, someone gonna buy this guy, bro.
No. No money. Buy him already. Why the Oh, don't buy him. He's AFK.
Buy him, he's not.
Right here's a man.
And say something then, Jay Gross.
Give me your money, let me buy him.
Oh, he's not here. He's not even talking.
Buy a
bro.
fucking ammo box then, nigga.
The ammo box, yo.
Shit.
Oh, my ammo box, bro. What is that? A new menu?
No. Let me put my finger up
Jay
your
Gross,
ass,
where
nigga.
are you, Jay Gross?
Just buy the
Gross.
nigga, bro.
I'm still here.
Hurry up, this fucking body ammo box.
Alright, there you go. I got you $100.
Yeah.
Right here, money right here.
The fucking, oh my
Hey, just
god.
wait for me, y'all. Wait for me.
Nigga crap $100, bro.
Nigga,
Hey,
we
we-
need ammo box, bro.
Hey, oh, there's people
Yeah,
coming in.
bro. The
Get
two
here,
cars
get here,
coming
get
in.
here, get in the bunker, y'all. Get ready, y'all. Oh, we got it. We got money.
Hey, buddy.
God, they're sniping on
It's
the
up
hill.
there.
Sniper.
Yeah. Get on the bunker, y'all. Why you guys standing like fucking everywhere?
Oh,
Get here.
I'm in the bunker.
Who's lagging?
I knocked one.
No.
How am I? Right up there.
Got a sniper. Ooh.
He's over here. Oh, you fucking crap, man. You guys gotta come in the bunker, boy. Fuck that. Okay.
Right here, on me. Oh, you motherfucker. Fuck you.
I need some plates.
Yeah, but me too. But you gotta come in the bunker.
Man, get out of that
Relax.
bunker, bro. Talking about coming to the bunker, bro. Nigga, we died defending you, okay? Oh, that's a nice HDR, dude. That's yours or somebody's gun. Talk, we're gonna die. Don't worry, we're gonna die anyway. Look at you. You're still gonna die. Damn, Vito. Let's go back to you first. Aw. You guys have good guns, huh? Come to the bunker. Let's see what that bunker gonna do to you.
Fuck.
Yo, enemy team, why you guys pull up on us like that? You know you need the heal to kill us, right? You a bitch for that, cuz. Yo, enemy team, it's on the bunker, bro. The one on the buy station. Just go down there and you're gonna find him. That's for damn sure. No, they cannot hear me.
You all heard that.
They cannot hear me, man. Shoot. I use party chat only. He's on the buy station bunker. That's our last guy. Yeah, that's our last guy, yeah.
This guy.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Fucking go loud. Rebirth, go back to rebirth. Fuck that shit.
Hey, that fucker left, J Cross.
Over here
That fucker not
snitching
back
on you
here.
and shit.
For real.
Hey, my bad. Shit. Bro, how the fuck to find you, man? Yo, bro.
I don't know.
I don't
You're
know
a
too.
bitch, bro.
I'm always just talking to me. Like.
Bro, he don't turn on his proxy, bro. He on bullshit.
For real.
Yo, you know I got a clip out on TikTok. Man.
Him in his fucking chat.
What's wrong with J Cross?
Shit, girl,
I think he's
He's
lagging on the
online.
menu, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, wait, smoke break. You say you want to smoke and you guys started. That's why. Jay Garcia, I want to smoke, and then you start the match.
Nah, I think he's done, bro.
Alright, wait. Alright, start. Let's go Reaper it, right? Fuck it, Reaper it all the way.
Rebirth, yo.
Nigga, you garbage, that's why.
Yeah, he's been having zero kills, whatever. And you gotta help him, tell him the setting, man. You cannot just keep playing with him and see that he have zero kills and you never say shit, nigga. You gotta help your friend. Damn it. What the fuck wrong with you two, bro?
Oh, he watches
Gotta help him
videos.
out.
He's good.
He's good, yeah. For the last 4 match we have, he's been having zero kills, bro. Do you see that?
For real. Oh shit.
Bro, I didn't know, bro. That's crazy. This
Damn.
Yeah,
nigga
you
keep
should know
track,
already.
bro.
Bro, I keep track on our
It'd
games,
be
okay?
like that.
I watch how we
It'd be
do.
like that.
And that nigga be having don't like damn. Like if I were him having donut, this would have been though. I stay on the airplane till the end of the where we where we all jump out, bro, and I kill the AFKs, man.
Kill him in the water. Fucking
Just to start up the match, you know. So you have out of 0 kills already. Bro, you gotta help with him. Tell what he's wrong on his setting, or ask him what his setting is.
You tell him.
All right, I can help him out. I can help Jake.
He not gonna
Gross.
listen, bro.
Wow.
Yeah.
He don't like
You
listen.
try? You try already?
No, bro. We know him already. He don't listen.
Motherfucker said, fuck your thoughts, nigga. He got his own thoughts. I think you just want him to get fucked every time. Try.
We playing trios, boys.
Yeah.
Only us. Example.
if you have to fucking multiplayer, we should have to go play zombie, man. Cam, you heard?
Fuck zombie.
Buy that shit, nigga. Stop buying Mario games and all that Fortnite bullshit.
Nah, I'm broke, bro.
Hey, you're in Alaska, right?
No, bro. Hawaii, Kali, Campo, Hollywood.
I was in
So,
Laguna.
no, bro.
5 years ago, I
Oh,
was in Laguna, bro.
nice.
I was chef over there for 7 years.
God damn.
And not chef, I
We're
cooking.
headed to the war zone. Get geared up.
That's the day you joined.
All stations, we are free to go. Stand by for deployment.
Damn, nigga, you got smoke so fast. My throat hurt. Fuck you. Now I'm gonna carry you guys.
Resurgence.
Your time, baby.
I will. Those ones.
Chemical.
Chemical.
We got a squad here.
We're going chemical.
Hey, you got donuts
shit.
over there, don't you?
You got a ground on the bottom.
Enemy UAV is online.
They're ground.
Yeah.
Same side.
Why don't you let me have a gun, bro?
He's on. Stupid ass boy. Get up. No, let him get up. Bro, get up. He's nice.
Buy a loadie, please. These trios, right?
Yep, trio.
What's up? Oh, Jack Russ is here.
Oh, you stay in the lobby.
Oh, bro, he's a clone.
Stay like two, boy. Just like two. Hey, what's up? He landed. I got him. Hey, what? At the stairs. Right here. Watch out, boy. Stairs.
I got one of them.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, you fucking lucky bitch.
Right.
Oh, man.
Shoot him, bro. Damn.
We lost that one.
Yo. Go back to Jacob.
Tito, you didn't talk.
What up?
What up, y'all?
Yo. What's going on?
So I have to reset my data usage and shit.
Not the data usage, yo.
Hopefully it works.
Start.
Oh, that's the hotspot. Hotspot.
Oh, you using a hotspot? You
The
using a
data
hotspot,
usage.
checkers? Oh, we're gonna have a good match, bro. I swear to God. That's fucked up.
Sorry.
You really want us to get fucked? We're gonna get live all the time.
Hey, mean things. Oh,
Cooking that shit.
oh, that fucked up mic is so.
What's up, bro? Shit. Sorry, the neighbors, man.
Use this time for some target practice. Resurgence. Survive.
What's wrong with you, bro? Hey, Cross, put that into your mic. Are you watching a video, sir?
What's up, bro?
Okay, put that into... Hey, Vito, wait this shit up. Damn, why you muted?
Fuck yeah.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm him. I kill it.
Hey, bro. We got the loadout over here. We got loadout. We go.
What is this?
He's hiding over there. Damn. Nice film. Sandadillo. Sandadillo. The sunshine. Dito, why you being thought no more, Dito? Hey, Check Cross, try to talk to Dito. Damn, Check Cross, stand it. I'ma mute the shit out of you, I promise you.
Go out of town. Stop this shit.
Damn, dude, that was... K-Cross's mic is way too loud. Somebody just landed. How come you didn't shoot him?
Right here. He's down. I
Yeah,
got
he down.
him.
Yeah, we
see
both
that?
shot him. We both shot
Somebody
him,
kill
bro,
him.
and you got the last kill.
Somebody go out and
Bro, you
kill
got
him.
cell.
He's dead. Oh no.
No, let me look. Somebody's here to pick him up.
I coming.
Adios, my friend. Only one down there. Only one, only one.
Yeah.
Yep.
What are you
Oh,
doing?
that's the guy that I killed earlier. I finished that guy at Stronghold. I'm him, but that's his name. I'm him. You need to change your name into is him. Damn, I'm alone over here. Nobody's here. Oh.
It is full.
Oh, one down, one down. One down, shoot at them. They're down there. You can shoot down. Yo, you can shoot down from top of prison.
Yup, that's another down.
Yep,
I finished too.
Yep. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going over there.
Right here.
That's it.
1, 2. Hey, I'm prison. There's two from prison, boys, on the other side. There's two houses. Stay on my way back, bro. Oh shit, I missed. Are you fucking bitch?
Buying loadout.
Loadout drop headed your way. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well
I
done.
got you, bitch ass boy. Oh, your boyfriend got me.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good.
Hold out.
You have reinforcements in.
Oi, ahora.
Prices have been reduced.
Oh, no more place.
Fucking kill that bitch.
Go on the ship, bro.
Down to the top. Bro, I kill him. I killed the guy on top, bro.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Yellow's a bitch, bro. Yellow's really like a bitch.
Hold on, let's stay on my way.
Alright,
Hey, we
come
gotta
on,
go
Pink.
help our
Use the
teammates,
sick line. Use the sick line.
Yep.
I'm right here, bro.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Word, I know. Hey. Alright, yeah.
Oh, don't
Go,
let me.
Tito. We gotta stay together.
Yeah, let's go on here, bro. Why you gotta
Let's
swim
go
like a
inside.
mermaid? So, people here.
We need the ammo downstairs.
One is here, one is here. Break, break, break. Yeah. What we do, that's what we do. I need that, I need that.
Go, Tito. Where you at? We go on.
He's coming in. He's there, he's there.
Let him fall. Go up there on the roof.
Oh, no more, he jumped.
Yeah,
He's scared so
over
much.
some gun. Oh, somebody should. You have to hold it, yeah.
Oh, you got it stupid ass. Yeah. Watch out now. Go right here. Right here, right here, right here.
Yeah.
Watch out for the
Yeah, watch
cluster.
out, boys, on cluster.
Looking for the UAV. We got a UAV in the area. Watch your radar, watch your radar. Going up, going up. We're in the safe zone, we're in the safe zone. Perk.
Fuera, más. Damn.
Espéralo.
Damn, they really got me.
Oh, you fucking bitch. Fuck you. Is here. Nah, Dita got here. Dita. Oh, so you're good at dancing? Okay. Good donut kill ass up. Oh, you got donut. How the fuck you dancing, bro? You better get a kill. Those are easy kills, bro. Those are easy kills, Tito. There you go. Another one. Oh my god, that's a lot of free kills. Now you gonna die. You only got one. He's only gonna get one. That's it. Just end on one kill. Oh, 2 kills.
Thanks, that way.
3 kills. Oh, that's 2 kills. Oh, you flying. Oh! Stuck this dude.
The enemy took that one, but we'll get it back.
Damn, dude. You tried. Yo, what's up, Chad? Tito got smacking dead by running out of ammo. Chad, do you see that? That's what we have been waiting for.
You see?
You get Chet pen, that's why you don't dog? Okay, just the chit pen, please. That's kind of nice. It feels right, Tito. You the chit man, bro. Get chit in the ass, nigga. Pan over. No, what's up? What you guys doing, man? What you guys doing on GTA? Somebody fighting you? Tito. Cam. Checkers, what are you watching? Film the man. Next time I do Spanish. What? Did I crap like? Ay, ngayon, I guess sa boxing natin, 1,000 siya lu. What the hell? That's 12K. Yo, Checkers, I don't know what the fuck happened to you. I'm muting the fuck out of you. Again. Cam. What? Where are you? No, wait, I'm on Call of Duty. I'll join you later. Nope. I'm not gonna join you, bro. Cam Dito, bro. Cam.
What the fuck?
Cam, bro. Fuck are you? Where the fuck are you, Cam?
What?
Alright, come on now. You know we gotta talk. We signed a contract, okay? Our contract says we gotta talk. Come on, recruit. Let's go fight over there at the industry. We got our loadout over. Oh shit, somebody here.
Cracked up, kid.
You say cracked up like it's gonna kill me, bro.
Oh yeah, he's over there.
Are you gonna kill me?
Damn.
God. Hey, his teammate is over there. Watch out. Yeah, he's there. Come, let's go kill him. He's running.
Oh, hey boys, in here.
Enemy UAV is
Got him.
Stacking.
One
They're
right there, right
stacking.
there.
Fuck up, boy.
You landed where we kill him.
Hey, right here. He's on the way up. Got him.
My fuck.
Shit, get out of here.
Knock
They're
him.
rushing you, Green. Behind you.
I am so sorry.
I'm back here.
He's on top.
Get him.
He's running to Arbor or something. I don't know, he's scared. Pressing. He's on pressing. Oh, they're on industries. Let's go. Industry with you guys.
Loadout drop heading your way.
Dropping a UAV.
Oh, that's under us, boy.
Get the fuck out of him. I got the UAV.
Yeah. One guy here. The corner, boy.
I'm flying in the air. Oh, he's right there. What the fuck? How the fuck I didn't see him, bro? He's scared. He shoots. You don't even want to shoot this guy. They don't want to shoot. Popping enemy on the board. Enemy on board. Down one. Down one.
Yeah.
Sure, 5-2. Over here. One day, one day. Oh, another one.
They're dead. Oh, I see one. Not on red.
Down.
He's low, bro. Catch him.
That corner too.
That corner too, baby. Hennessy, I'm sorry.
He's in the house right there.
Got him. I am so sorry, guys. You gotta go. Gotta go, sorry. Chat, do you see what I'm doing, bro? Do you see what happening? Right there, break. Eliminated. Well, we're going in hot over here, bro. Oh, I don't know what you're trying to do.
Watch out.
Watch out, shooting in person.
Hey, what goes on, bro?
Bro, why you drop a cluster on us, bro? Oh, this guy. You make us run over. He's in pressing window. Hey, let's shoot him one time. He's gonna die one time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're gonna die. Let's go do them. Fuck them up. Get on the chopper, bro. Let's go do the chopper, bro.
Knock him.
Let's go on the chopper. Go.
Come on,
Look at him, he's down.
We
Look at him.
gotta go.
Watch you.
Hey, right, boy. I got him.
Back up,
Not
please.
on. I got him. I got 2. Come on. Healing on. Trading on. Oh, I got 2 of them bitches.
Stay alive, really, too.
Go for UAV. Go for UAV. Got the UAV. He's here. He's here.
Right.
Yeah.
Right underneath the yellow.
Got him. He did.
Right
He
underneath the
did.
corner.
One more. One more. Two more. Two more.
There he is.
Right. I got him. I got him. Not all landing.
Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do that.
I'll start this one.
Another UAV.
Oh, fuck.
Right here.
I'm buying you right now.
Holy crap.
Damn it.
Oh, you bought the friend.
Oh, shit.
Who that bought the friend?
Buying you right now, bro.
Yeah, they're all by the prison.
Got a loadie right there if you want it, check Russ. Let's go left side. Let's go left side.
Go away. Hit that place, shit, straight up. Go, boy.
Go, 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 go.
Going on.
They're here, they're here.
Cool.
They're running. There's only two, bro. Down one. Hey, one down, one down. Fuck! What the fuck I did? They're hitting me in person. Oh no, never mind. There's one over there.
Yo, nice. You got him this far.
Yo, buy me or something, bro. I ain't gonna watch you all.
Got him.
Somebody buy that man.
Nobody's in person. Nobody's in person.
You liar, get. On all my using.
Someone up there.
Not person, control. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to blue. I'm going to blue. Somebody's here. Bro, kill him! Bro, he's right here. Yeah, that's what's up. Only 14 left. It's a good time. Only one guy on the left side.
Oh, who that shooting? Oh, he's right here. Hey, boy. You can find me back. Find me back.
Perk. Down. Got him. Hey, buy him. I got money right here. Oh, this guy told me some money too. Three teams
I
left.
get the money. Bring it. Where's the money?
Okay.
Right there. Yes.
Get you on the
Yeah, he's on the road. He's on the wall. He's on the wall. There it is on the wall. Watch out.
Hey, boy. Hey, you guys got this. It's only one guy. He stay up there. Look at that. That's his there. Hey.
Resurgence has been deactivated. The end game.
Fuck!
Oh, why are you using pistol, bro?
My gun ain't working, bro.
Yeah, that pistol's not good.
Fuck!
Should you use the AKM? Rat-tat-tat.
There. Because I'm going to get this one.
2v1. Damn.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Look at my kills. Dude, look at my kills, Tito. Dude, look at my kills.
He was trying to get a clip.
There.
Hey, bro,
Look,
hold
look,
up, bro. Let me
look,
fucking pick.
No, I didn't have my loadout. That's somebody's gun. That's somebody's loadout I'm using.
Wait. Wait, bro.
But you see my kills, though?
Let me fix something real quick, bro.
No, don't make me go hard. Gross. Do you want me to change your aiming sensitivity?
What?
Your aiming sensitivity is wrong, gross.
Maybe after.
Check weapons and
I got one,
We're
Zan.
holding for deployment.
Okay.
Eleven.
Okay, I'm going to go smoke. Later, skater.
Alright. Alright. Later, skater. Smoke time.
So how do I fix it?
So go to your controller, aiming, press box to show more.
Yup.
So there are 2, 4, 6, 7 bar over there, yeah. Like there's 7 scales. Like 30%
Yeah.
sensitivity, ground vehicle, air vehicle.
Oh yeah, I
capture.
got him.
So you put all
Yeah.
first 4 you put 1.00, and the last 3 you put 85, 80, 85. That is 0.85, 0.80, 0.85. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 85,
So the last
80,
2 is
85.
yeah.
Last three is 85, 80, 85. The last 3. The rest is 1.00. And then you go down
So
to
the
aiming.
first 4 is
1.00.
Yeah, okay.
And the last 3 is 85, 80, 85. And you go down
85,
to
80, 85.
and you go down to aiming sensitivity setting, advanced setting, aiming advanced setting.
Aim advance? Okay. Okay.
So
And then what?
instant assist dynamic off.
Yeah. Oh, off dynamic.
No, you put dynamic. And then the movement
Oh, yeah,
you
that's
use
what I got.
slide
That's what I
only,
got.
okay? You use slide only on the movement.
Hold on. Movement is sprint
Movement
assist.
behavior.
That's what you say?
Sprint what? So no. The sprint assist
Slide
is gonna
and
be
dive.
tactical sprint assist, and the movement behavior, the slide and dive behavior is gonna be slide only.
I put hyper. Oh, slide only.
Slide only so it doesn't
Okay.
lag. It's gonna smooth.
Hurry up, bro.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Yo,
Almost.
give me the hose,
That's it.
bro.
Nah,
Give me that
give me
shit,
the
bro.
hose.
Give me that shit.
Let me hose.
Shut up, Dito.
Nah, I'm good.
And
I
on,
got it.
yo, on the
Nah,
control,
pass it, bro.
so go to controller, you use sensitivity 2.65.
Death sometimes, bro.
Hey, you need to do those, check, Ross. It's really
Controller.
helpful.
2 point what?
Horizontal and vertical is
See?
gonna
I
be
told you.
2.65.
Give me that hose, bro.
2.65.
Gotcha.
Oh.
That's it.
No, the bottom, date zone input. The bottom is on the bottom. On control.
Yeah.
Date zone
Bibbidi
input,
bobbidi
you
boo.
use 170,
Okay.
19900.
Shoot.
171.
She's 70.
Yeah. And then right stick, main is 1. Max is 99. And the bottom 2 is 0.
Cam, you hear what? Listen, bro.
171. Right stick.
99.
70.
99.
Okay.
0.
Okay. And left trigger. 0.
Yeah, both of them on the bottom is 0.
Okay.
Yo, the last
All
one.
right.
Last one. Graphic. Last one. Graphic.
Where? Which one?
Go to graphic. Go to view.
Good football.
Few.
Yeah.
I got few is 120.
And what the bottom one is
Yeah.
affected. The next one is
That's
white.
good.
White.
Yeah, and 90.
And 90 default 50, right? You gotta use 50 so you don't blur out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah,
Alright,
I
let's
got
get
it.
it.
I
Alright,
got
let's
them
get
both
it.
first and
Let's go.
second, first and third.
Alright, let's go.
Pass me. Let me hose. Yup.
No, don't give it to Dito. No, don't give it.
Bad. I'm gonna kick you, bro. Relax.
No, you better help me, Dito. I see you every time I say move right, nigga. Move to the opposite direction, bro. I swear.
Bro, no shit. I'm chopped down, bro. Relax. Bro.
You don't wanna listen, bro. Chat, you see that, right? I swear, I say right, nigga, we move left. Watch the map.
Bro.
Tito is like a bullet man. That is 90 bomb.
Nigga, you chihuahua, man.
That polar bear is 90 bomb. That's the skinny ass polar bear ever.
You a chihuahua with a fucking basket home.
Oh no, we don't have Chihuahua in Kosraean, so I cannot be a Chihuahua. Yeah, we got German Shepherd. Because try that. Don't just keep practicing. Use it for a week and then you're gonna see the. Boy.
Don't listen to him, J. Cross.
You're headed to the war zone.
Yeah, I give it to Dito. That's why Dito got some kills now. Before you always have kills.
Bro, I already had kills. What are you talking about? Tell him.
Bro, how's this guy? He just followed out of the guy yesterday.
Cool. Nah, nigga, you not. Bro, this guy's from Nigeria, bro. Don't listen to him. J. Cross.
That's where you find gold.
J. Cross is a street in Nigeria, bro.
Fuck you, nigga.
Alright, we're going over there. At Arbor.
It's one of the main roads in Nigeria, bro.
Damn, why you
fucking dick,
I don't know why.
What's your name now?
He never pressed, bro. Relax. Watch out, come through, that's crazy.
Come scan your eyeball. Stop fucking around, man.
Oh, yep, they're coming, bro. Told you.
Come sell your card. Come on now.
Good cross, bro. Turn your mic down, bro.
Nice, good. Bye. Come over here. Give me your money, please. Sell your card. You got a cool
I ain't
card.
got no money, bro.
Okay.
You will sell your card when you scan your face, and you're gonna get money, sir. You don't know that?
Who?
I'm talking to Jake Ross.
You know, relax, bro.
I know that, nigga.
Man, how the fuck you see you get money, bro?
Oh, I gotta go grab it from that other building. Shit.
No, it's this building right there.
Alright, give me your money, Cam.
Too late. I'm already here.
You're not dodging all your bullets. You can't even see me, bro. That's crazy. Fucking ninja. Yeah? I'm right behind you, bro. Where you going, bro? I'm right behind you.
No. Load out. Fucking doing.
He's lagging.
Oh, what's up, bro?
Okay, I'm going to go smoke. Later, skater.
Thank you. Thank you for the sub. If you sub, thank you. I appreciate you.
Hey, get out of here, bro.
Right here, guys, right here.
He's a fraud.
He went out to the other side.
Where?
He's on the other side of the house. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Got him.
Oh, this guy, they're sniping. Leave me alone. Peek out, right? Yeah, peek out. Watch them peek out, bro. Ooh, I knocked them, bro.
Oh, the window.
I knocked them. No. Airstrikes, bro. Oh, you running over there, bro? Gotta get up another way. Oh, there we go.
I'm waiting for that guy.
Haha.
What the fuck, bro?
Let the wanderer alone, huh?
Fuck that shit, man. Why did I stand there, bro? Like,
That's what it is, boy. I shot at that window. Sniping, bro. At this one. Because.
I knocked them, bro.
Yo. Oh. Oh, that's the auto window too. Hey,
Good
yo.
shit, bro. Hey, at least you tried, bro.
Hey, what, you get out of my
shut your serial killer ass up.
At least you tried, bro.
He's sniping, bro.
You tried? Don't be fucking greedy, bro. Chill, bro. You gotta chill. Oh, it's not an ammo box, bro. My bad.
You play. Bro, that's fucking plate, bro. The ammo box. Fucking ammunition. Fucking. Yeah. I guess stay over there again. It's the bottom.
Now you die.
Hey, bro.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
What the fuck is Jacob?
Enemy UAV is online.
It's
Your squad
deploying
mates
right now.
redeploying. Well done.
Stick together, Jacob. That's right there, he landed. That's that boy.
Safe zone. Gas
That's an easy kill you
Yeah,
got
bro.
over there, man.
Fire sales done. Operation back to normal.
What's going on here, bro?
Loadout drop.
Hold on, load out.
You made the top 25. Well done.
Have more box,
Hostile
please.
UAV in
Never mind.
There's a ammo on the bottom, bro.
UAV overhead. Enemy deploying
Yeah.
advanced UAV. Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy UAV is online. Be advised, the no longer active. For keeps.
Buy UAV or something. Damn.
Oh, money.
Solid work invading.
Hide me, bro.
Nah, don't buy him, bro. That's what you get, bro.
Stick together, boys.
You just stick together.
See that
and you
guy
get-
that died?
Nah, don't buy him.
We don't like to stick together.
Man, dealer got 0 kills.
That's what happened.
How the fuck you gonna listen to him?
That's what happened. Be patient, bro.
Patient for what? Die? Just like you?
Nigga, look, watch. Look at J Cross. Example, bro. Watch.
No, this guy darn bad. Now again, bro. How the fuck you darn bad?
So,
Nigga scared, bro. What the fuck?
He can't.
Look at them. They're gonna die just like you. Right here. Look at them. They suck, bro. Look at them. They're stupid as fuck, bro. Look at Cam trying to survive down there. What's he gonna do? Look at him, Jet. Look at my crew. Look at my crew. Look how dumb they're playing this, bro. Look, look. And fucking Jet Cross cannot climb. Oh my god, bro. Oh, my team is salvaged.
That's not a good place to lay down, bro. Get out there, bro.
Niggas are
nah, you just gotta
be
stay
patient
together,
so you
boys.
can have 0 kills until the end.
J Cross still alive! Go ahead, J Cross. Get this dog.
Look at this guy.
Take your time, bro.
That's the best player in our squad, right? Look, what?
There,
Look at him, bro. Look at Chris Cross he got on, bro.
You're right.
Bro, you just gotta move. Boy, he didn't even think about buyback.
No need to buy back. Oh, yeah.
Bro, he's coming up. He's on the gas. He's shooting. He's gonna die right here, yo. We gotta watch this. That's it. Just like him in there. You know damn well they're gonna die just like that. Bro, did you see the out there left you, Gam? How the fuck you do that, bro? Did you see the out there left your ass and you die over there? You better think about that. Left your ass over there.
I tell you, we gotta stay together, boys.
Nigga, they left your ass and you died by yourself, bro. What you talking about?
Bro.
Nah, nigga. My bad, dog.
Nigga try to find me and turn around while he's right next to me. Bro.
Oh. You see what you
No, that
said?
nigga
Made you.
turn around.
I know you in tough
No,
as
fuck, I'm
well,
late.
dog. On you.
Damn.
I had to go.
Yeah, neither of them
One more
doesn't even
time.
know where to go. They don't know what to do, bro. That nigga just sit there till he die, bro. Bro, be patient so you have zero kills to kill the aim.
Get your ass up, nigga. Your bitch ass up.
Patient, bro.
Nah, J Cross, you gonna set us up, bro?
I didn't even know there was a load out there. Fuck, cause how many times I fell down? You guys ever go like come pick me up?
We're heading to the war zone.
Fuck. All that shit, nigga. What you guys doing? Nah, man. They get one guy keep charging the houses and keep dying.
The funny thing is, niggas say be patient and it's still got zero kills.
Running around playing tag and shit inside them houses, bro.
Be patient, be patient.
Shut your bitch ass up, bro.
Hey, stick together.
Nigga, they left your ass.
Bro, you fucking go wandering around, bro. Shut your ass up, bro.
That's why I don't stick with you guys, because when I down, you guys left me, bro. There's no make sense to stay with you guys, bro.
Why? Who's gonna pick you up, bro?
No matter I down right next to you guys, I will still die. I swear to God.
Not laughing.
We're gonna fucking pick you up, bro.
Oh
shit.
shit.
This can't pick you up, bro.
Chemical, bro. Chemical, guys.
You're not gonna pick you up.
Fuck that shit.
Hey, bro. Down the road.
Yeah, that's what you get. See that?
There's a lot behind you, nigga.
Oh shit, let them rush in, bro.
Oh no.
Who's that?
One dog time. Hey, bro.
Where them fuckers, yeah.
Surviving on top.
Oh, they're getting too crowded. What the fuck? Shut me fuck up.
They came here already, damn.
Yeah.
Sorry, what's up?
Where the fuck are you guys, bro? He's holding me. He's holding me. He's on me. Right now. Right now. Right now, bro. Fuck you. Stop running away and just fucking follow me, okay? They're in front. They're in front. They're inside the house. Bottom.
Alright, they're inside, bro.
Help each other out, bro. Who's hiding like a bitch? Very good. That's a cluster.
Never mind.
They scared. Alright, I got the loadie. Don't worry about it. They're here. They're here. One down. Talk, bro.
What the fuck?
Say something, bro. You got
Hey, right here. Okay, on the.
What's this one?
Stay inside. Down the bottom.
You're right, go.
You know.
Oh,
nah, he's right.
fuck.
Oh, right. Bro, he's catching you. Focus, bro. Where the fuck you are? Hey, right here. Down the road, one guy landed. What?
Right. Right behind you, bro. Right behind you. Hit that nigga, man. Hit that nigga. I get that logo.
Over there.
Oh, wait. Where's your car?
UAV is bingo fuel. Returning to base.
Yeah, bro, over there. Oh, wait, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah.
At the loadout, bro.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy advanced UAV overhead. Friendly airstrike squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind. Enemy UAV overhead.
Right here. Oh, I need a tunnel. Hey, fire going off.
You fucking bitch, bro.
That's right on the.
He's at the buy station. Yes.
Hey, cluster up there. Hey, cops on the front, bro. What?
Damn it. Bro, Cam, you got so much money, bro.
What's up?
Motherfucker.
Hey, I almost fired him. Fuck.
One of them remaining.
Okay, that's like taking a shit sideways.
Damn. Good night, Curry.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a break.
You're welcome.